After nearly 10 days of being cut off and partially paralyzed due to severe landslides caused by historic rainfall and flooding, the railway network is racing against time, along with hundreds of workers working day and night, regardless of weather conditions. They are repairing the damage to restore train services as quickly as possible.
The historic flooding in the central provinces caused damage to dozens of locations on the North-South Railway, leading to a complete disruption for many days. The final stretch, nearly 4 kilometers long in Daklak province, is currently being urgently repaired. The Ministry of Construction inspected the repair work in order to make decisions about trial runs and resuming train services.
We expect that the final repair will be completed tonight and the entire line will be reopened.
After the full reopening, the construction units will continue repairing and reinforcing damaged sections.
Within 45 days, we will direct the corporation to gradually increase the speed to 15 km per hour to ensure safe train operations and fully restore smooth traffic flow.
The reopening of the North-South Railway is crucial for connecting and transporting goods and passengers nationwide after several days of disruption due to the floods.